Hi, I'm Jitendra Sharma, Field Consultant, DA Tier 3 950. Right now, I'm standing in front of Sector 35 subway outlet. From here, we will move towards a proposed location in Sector 32 Chandigarh. I will show you the meter reading, which has been set to 0. And now we'll start moving towards the proposed location. The Sector 35 market is a very busy market. Usually in the daytime or even in the evening or at night time, it's very hard to get the parking and to get in the market. In this market, there are many hotels, restaurants, banks, garment stores, electronic stores. As you can see, we are still stuck in the parking traffic. This is quite a big market. There are fast food giants, McDonald's, KFC are also present in this market. Sometime because of parking problem, traffic, people avoid this market because it's very hard to get a space to park your vehicle in this market, especially in the business hours. Now we are moving out of the market. We have moved out of the inner market and we are at the light point. This light point itself is quite busy. There's so much traffic. Once we'll take the right from this traffic line, we will enter in sector 34. Now we have entered in sector 34. Sector 34 is quite dense population wise. Many houses, even offices, banks, and also Sector 34 has its own very busy market. See the big office blocks in the video. Now we have reached the Sector 34 market. Although this is a small market, but it's quite busy as well. Parking situation is very hard to get a parking place for your vehicle, even in this market. Once we will cross this market of Sector 34, we will enter in Sector 33. This is a roundabout. This is basically the intersection of Sector 33 and Sector 34. Once we will cross this roundabout, we will reach in Sector 33. Now we have entered in Sector 33. Again, there are offices, houses, flats in this sector. This sector also has its own market. Now we are approaching towards the market of Sector 33. Now we are driving past Sector 33 market. Flats. This is a hospital. Houses. You can see the flats now. These are the houses. We are about to move out of Sector 33. Now, this is the roundabout. Once we will cross this roundabout, we will enter in Sector 32. Lot of traffic most of the time during the day. Now we have entered in sector 32. Now we'll be driving in the sector 32 market. This is quite a big market with a lot of parking space. Getting a parking is not a problem in this market. As you can see, the huge parking in the video. We are approaching toward our proposed location. We have reached to our destination and we are standing in front of proposed location. I will show you the distance. The distance is 2.7 kilometers and it took about say 11.5 minutes to reach here from sector 35 outlet. I hope you will find this information useful. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.